Hello everyone, Steve with Bayou Honey here. Today we are bottling some 2-pound containers of honey. I've got my quantitative filling machine going, my capper, my honey storage right here, and let's get started. We'll do a couple. Pretty simple. It's air operated. It's pre-metered. There is a stopping point right here where it actually stops the fill. You adjust it up or down just like you want, and for the most part we put it's about that simple. Alright, and we do one more. This will be a really short video just to show you how we bottle honey here at Bayou Honey in South Louisiana. In the house is Green Thumb 775 here, kind of watching over operations and everything. She's over there doing the technical work on the computer, so I gotta watch my P's and Q's here, my pints of a quarts. So, alrighty, and that's about the size of it. Just like that. Thank you for watching.